Hello, everybody. How are you? Happy Monday, and I hope you had a great weekend with your families or kung meron pa tayong mga side hustle sa inyong weekend, go, go, go lang. Happy Monday to everybody. Again, this is Hustle Hour with Mary Ann. I'm Mary Ann, by the way, for those people who doesn't know me yet. I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and currently now in Ontario, Canada. I'm a wife. I'm a mom of two. I'm a full-time sales administrator, and I'm doing this side hustle as a online digital entrepreneur. So just to give you a brief background, I actually have Mary J on the other side of your screen right now. She's my special guest for tonight. And I will be doing some series that I would gonna be interviewing some business partners that we have in the community so that they can actually tell you also yung story naman po nila. Hindi yung ako na lang yung palagi niyang naririnig. Right? So, yeah, okay. So, Mary J, sige, introduce mo na muna yung ano mo, yung, tell something a little bit from yourself. Yeah.
Okay, hello. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan na nanonood. Good evening wherever you may be. I'm Mary J. Stewart. I'm currently located here in New Jersey, USA, and originally from Baguio, Philippines. Yes, I am a mom, a wife. Oh my goodness, a lot of hats. A mom, a wife, a fur mom, a digital entrepreneur, a full-time physical therapist, and a lot more. And I'm also doing this side hustle that on the side that hopefully at the end of the day, it will provide more than just a side hustle. Maybe it's going to be a plan A. Hopefully it will, right? Just like everybody's hoping for. So I've been doing this business for quite a while. And Laura asked, Mary Ann will ask a series of questions, and I'm very humbled to be her first guest in her series. Yay! Number one on the list.
Yes, number one on the list for this
Number one
year.
on the list for this year. And this is actually my first live for the 2025, year 2025. And showing up my face to my friends and followers on my business page. Welcome.
Welcome, yan. So, thank you. I know we're a bit late. I'm sorry, it's my fault. I actually thought that I scheduled it at 9. Ako na nga nag-schedule, ako pamali. Sorry, but we are here. The show must go on. A little bit late, but here we are, right? So,
Right.
I hope you will be able to resonate with Mary J. Actually, I've known Mary J online, I think for the past, what, 7 months?
Mm-hmm.
No,
Seems like forever though.
yes, it's like forever actually, right? So yeah, para ano na kami talagang literal like sisters in the online business world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if I may say, she's one of my accountability partners, and actually she will be the first one in our group na mai-interview ko sa aking series, right? So
Yes.
you would know them one by one in the coming days. So
Mm-hmm.
let's start. So for my first question,
Yeah.
how did you start this online business despite, some skepticism or a lot of skepticism,
Mm-hmm.
the challenges of balancing your roles, as you said, no, many hats, right?
Mm-hmm.
And your biggest why driving you forward still.
So, long story, but just letting you know, before I started this business, I had three jobs as a physical therapist. So I have a full-time job, and then at the end of my 9 to 5, I will go to another facility to do physical therapist between another 2 to 3 hours at the end of the day, and then I have a weekend. So all three. So I have kids, so I was like wondering how else can I like you know find more time to be with my kids more. That's my struggle. I have this mom guilt, although my kids doesn't know any better because ever since they were young, they always know that mommy has to go to work. So all three of that. But came a day that I felt, even though I have three jobs, I had this financial concern because all of a sudden Medicare changed. There was like cuts in employment. So they're cutting hours, they're cutting down the employment. I'm just an employee. Anytime they can like pull my name out of a jar, and then they're gonna say tomorrow you don't have any job anymore. But what do you call this? I experienced that I have to cut down hours because there's no patience anymore. So the feeling of that I still have my bills to pay. I still
That's
have my kids to feed, and I have that feeling of fear that I might be failing as a mom. And then so that was the prayer that I was hoping for, like please provide me guidance. Where am I supposed What am I supposed to do? Am I gonna add another job? But I don't want to really add another job. I really want to cut off the jobs if possible. And then of course, like while you're thinking, scrolling onto Facebook feed, came a post from a friend. She's also a physical therapist, and both her and her husband are physical therapists. And she just posted that she's looking forward to a starting a new venture in her life, probably a change, and she's gonna do an online business. So I inquired, I called her because I'm not the kind of person like I would learn online. Skeptic, are you really a person or not? So I called this person and she said, I'm really inviting you. If you really want to do this, you're just gonna have to like watch a webinar and it's free. And if it's for you, then go for it. I never had what do you call this. I was not a skeptic of the business. The
oh.
first time, yes, I'm one of those like, oh my goodness, I fell in love with the what they call this, with the package that they have, the benefits that they have, because it has provided me the knowledge that I can give back the time that I'm losing to my kids, and at the same time the legacy that I can pass to them. So
Mm-hmm.
my kids are my biggest why.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to give them time, the security, and the future down the line. Because I'm from the Philippines. It's a third world country, and what do you call this? My dad gave me everything that he could do, but it's not enough that I have to be separated from them and leave them behind the Philippines,
Yeah.
coming here in the U.S. with a bag full of dreams.
Mm-hmm.
I was living in a suitcase, and I don't know where I was going. With faith, I was able to go through this with the
Mm-hmm.
guidance of the Lord. So it was really a blessing. And then with the prayer again, this business has been granted. So have faith in faith. So how did I do it? My skepticism is my doubt about myself.
Yeah.
So how am I gonna do this? First of all, how am I gonna find time? I already got 3 jobs, a house to keep, my husband, and the whole family to take care of,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then next thing is financial aspect of it. It's a business. You have to put out money.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not kidding. If you're like into really good business, you have to bring out the money that you have to. That sometime you have to put in the seed so that it will grow for you. So your seed money. So what else are my? I'm not. I don't have any background in business. Amen, right? And then I'm not a tech savvy person. I know how to post, but taking pictures, no. But you know what? This business has provided me the growth that I need to bring forth, because with all these excuses I have and my doubts in my mind, the problem is like just giving a mind shift of the what if I failed? What if I don't have the money? What if I don't have the time? What if? All the what if. But what if you shift it into what if I made it? So yung doubt mo, yung reasons mo, gawin mong power up, to give you power to push yourself up to, to your limits, out of your comfort zone.
Mm-hmm.
So, wala kang time, kaya ka nga magbi-business para may time ka eh.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Wala kang pera. Ako rin, wala rin akong pera, apir tayo dyan. Pero kailangan natin mag-business para magkapera tayo, di ba? So, kailangan natin i-fuel, i-change yung mindset na, okay, so this is not gonna be like tawag dito, hourly pay.
No.
You're gonna be paid based on how many people you're helping.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the same thing as a healthcare professional. Tumutulong ka sa paggaling ng tao. At the same time, here sa business, you're helping other people build their own business too. You're guiding them.
Mm-hmm.
That's our job. That's our
Yeah.
job, helping them through our system
Yeah.
as a business owner.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Marian? How did you get into this business?
Yes, actually, pareho tayo dun sa part ng skepticism. I
Mhm.
got really excited as well in when I watched the webinar.
Oo.
I got really excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is for real,
Mm-mm.
right? This is for real. And then listening to the personal milestones or like yung personal experiences nung mga business partners natin na nagpa-panel doon sa webinar. It's like different personality, different type of people, right? Pero if it does happen to them, then it
Mhm.
will happen to you as well. Kaya nga parang, di ba, pag sinasabi, ano ba yun, may nagsabi sa isang meeting natin na, make your excuses reasons. No? Parang, excuse na
Oo.
naman. O yung katulad ng sinabi mo, di ba? Walang oras. Oh, by the way, guys, tagta 24 hours a day lang tayo lahat. Pare-parehas lang tayong may 24 hours. Pero kung meron kang kilala na malulook up mo or something that's like, pwede mong sabihin na parang gusto kong gayahin yung way of life niya. Parang
Mhm.
gusto ko ring pasukin yung business na pinasok niya. 'Di ba? Parang kung kaya niya, kaya din natin, 'di ba?
Correct.
Yun lang, doon ka lang magbe-base sa kung gaano ka kadeterminado na
Mhm.
magawa yung dapat mong gawin. You have to put off the work. Hindi naman yan,
Mhm. It's
basta-bastang
not a
gano'n.
get rich quick
Yeah,
scheme.
no, hindi. I mean, Mary J has been in the business longer than I was, right? But we
Mhm.
can say what we were before, we weren't the same person right now.
Right.
That the business has contributed a lot in us being the person we are right now. If I
Mhm.
that's my take on it, right? Oh,
Yes.
galing
Good.
naman. So ngayon
Oo.
narinig ko na yung story mo.
So,
Detailed.
guess what? Dalawa na lang ang trabaho ko.
Oh, seriously?
Nagbawas na. Oo, 'di ba?
Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam yung dalawa na lang ang trabaho mo ngayon.
So,
Oh,
ngayon full-time, hindi na ako nag-a-after shift. So, full-time 9 to 5, minsan 3:30 tapos na ako. Tapos, isang weekend.
tapos, ano ka
One
na,
weekend na
off
lang.
ka na agad, ma'am hat na.
Ma'am hat na.
So,
So,
parang
I'm
you,
I'm I'm more involved in their activities.
yes, I know,
So my kids are like into sports.
yes.
I think they have two, and then they have clubs after.
I know, and you go with them, you drive with them,
Mhm. You
yeah,
watch them
you
grow,
watch
and they're so
them.
proud to show off. Like, mom, look at what I did.
That's true. You know
Oo.
what? Simple things for them
Mhm.
makes them really like happy that you were there.
Yes,
No?
that's totoo
Nakakatuwa.
yan.
Oh,
Oo.
that
Yeah.
is so nice to hear that detailed story because I've known the story already
Mhm.
little by
Little
little.
bits and
Pero
pieces. Uh-huh.
it's a detailed version of it, no?
Yes, ang
Galing talaga.
ganda.
Pero
Oo.
you know what? Starting in the business, of course, right? There will be struggles, right?
Yes.
With us, of course, managing time, ika nga.
Mhm.
So, what strategies help you manage your time as a mom, wife, and then, of course, a full-time healthcare professional, then meron
Mhm.
pang other side bet stuff, right? And then, of
Correct.
course, running the business, right?
Oo. So, so there are different layers of like time management. First, we have our digital form, and we also have like the paper and pen
Mm.
technique. So, usually yung calendar namin digital, because at least I can share it with my husband,
Mm.
and then my kids, I can show them. But my kids are more of paper, so I still buy a big calendar in the refrigerator because they want to know what's going to happen tomorrow.
Mm.
So if they have a competition, if they have sports going on, and or if they have any parties going on, any birthdays, they're gonna see there. When are they offer from school? and when we're gonna have our vacations. So general planning, but our appointments lies on the phone. So if something happens, like if I have an appointment and my husband have to step up for the kids, he's gonna do that. So pre-planned. So and then the second one that I do, uh, I'm guilty of keeping notebooks,
Yeah.
tons of notebooks. Yes, but I tried this new. I don't know. So everybody's different. I'm trying this new technique, like the using index cards. I struggled with notebooks and planners because I am not never satisfied with the layout. Minsan gusto ko hourly, minsan gusto ko weekly, minsan gusto ko brain dump and then strategize. I never can find the right notebook or the right planner for myself. I keep changing. Tapos, I write down. I have so many notebooks. I write things down and then I forgot which notebook I put it on. Guilty, di ba? Saan ko na nga ba linagay yun? Hahanapin ko pa. So,
Ano?
it takes time. Nasi-stress ako. So, and then, when you list something down, paulit-ulit mong linilista. So, yung, kunyari, yung morning routine mo, kaya yung, uulit-ulitin mo. Pati yung meal, kunyari yung, tawag dito, yung chores mo sa bahay, ulit-ulitin mo. Yung chores mo sa, yung task mo sa trabaho, ulit-ulitin. Ba't ko inuulit? Pare-pareho lang naman yan eh. So, what I found out are like, very simple, index card. It's my cue card. So today's my cue card. So it's my brain dump. I just take the ones that is essential for the day. And
Oh.
so example, if I have like tonight, I have probably 4 tasks on my card. So apat na cards. I only have 4 tasks for tonight. And then I prioritize isang task. If I only have maybe I usually like have a 90-minute um, schedule for a time block. So we have this time block system. So you time block your mornings for the kids, and then work, and then back to home to the kids again, and the home management. And then after the home management would be the business side.
Mhm.
So when I pull out the cards for the business, I probably would pick 3 priorities out of the 5. Tatlo lang muna kasi pag marami, na-overwhelm ako.
Yes.
Diba? So tonight I have interview with Mary Ann, and then I have the training to do because
Mhm.
our never-ending training is
Mhm.
very essential. But
Mhm.
since I only have 90 minutes, I don't have to go through that rabbit hole because everybody needs to rest.
Of course. Yeah.
Yes, you have to prioritize your rest too.
Mhm.
So minsan, dalawa lang nakukuha ko, but it's fine. At the end of the day, I feel fulfilled because this too goes at the back.
Ah,
And tomorrow again, we'll start on the ones that I did not do. And then go over.
yeah.
Paulit-ulit lang yan. So
Yeah.
hindi ko na siya uulit. Hindi ko na siya isusulat. Kasi time, ano lang eh, it time consuming. 'Di ba? Maghahanap ka ng notebook. Hindi mo alam kung aling notebook mo linagay.
I know, and it's like it's not all the same every day, but most days are the same.
Are the same. So
Yes.
kung there's something more dynamic like for home, you got a pile of home tasks to do. Like example, I have to call the doctor tonight, or today I have to fulfill that I have to make an appointment to the doctor. I have to pick up prescription, and then I have to pick up something for the kids. So tatlo lang yon, errands day. While I'm in the car, go na tong tatlong ito. Get it done. But eventually, all these 3 will be in my list within the next 3 months. I'll keep the
Yes.
cards.
And
I'll
that's
keep the same cards. We go back in.
that
It goes
is
back at the back of the
so.
system.
Oo nga, no? Oh,
So you
maganda ka na
save,
yan. I know. You save paper,
you save,
save the
and
trees.
save the trees, and you keep the same thing. Like if you have like administrative file, you have a business file, you have a home management file, you
Mhm.
have a finances file. So
Yes,
if you want to do an hourly, you can just jot down the hours of the day and block the things that you want.
that's true.
So kung kunyari stress ka today, gratitude. Write down your gratitude. And
Yes.
then tomorrow we will review our vision board. I don't have vision board. I have vision cards. Tomorrow, I'll be a millionaire. Tomorrow, I will be driving this kind of car. So, reviewin mo lang yan. Ako yung affirmation.
Oh.
Diba?
Very very effective. Actually, it's that's very effective. I might think of trying that one too, no? Kasi it's
Mhm.
gonna be, kasi like me, ganun din ako eh. Which notebook? You know what? Especially with our business, I think I'm keeping like 4 notebooks just for
Mhm.
the business.
Mhm.
And then I have a mini notebook just for password.
Okay.
Just for password. I
Oh,
have to change.
one password.
Right, one, right. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let me see. I might try that method.
Yes.
It's the
So
Mary Jane method.
you you have to find what works for you because everybody's different.
True.
So the notebook system did not work for me.
Mm-hmm.
That I've been working on, but I know the calendar on the phone works. We've been doing this for a while, and then even my husband is into it. The calendar method on the refrigerator for the whole family because my kids look into it. I would see them actually like looking when is the next like
Mm-mm.
no school, when am I gonna have my spring break. So they know already. So and then they also have their Sunday school, so they know which one they don't have and when they have their Sunday school.
Yes.
So
Yes.
everybody's on top of everything.
Oh, that
So
is great. That is great. Kasi you know what? It's like with me naman and my husband, it works the phone one is the
yes.
one that's working. So we have
Mm-hmm.
it like you and your husband, I have it synced in with him. So
Mm-hmm.
if he has a schedule, he will put it in and then I will see it already,
That's
kasi
right, right.
pasting thing
And
yan.
then there's no overlap of schedule.
Yes,
If he makes an appointment, I will not make an appointment on that day so that
that's true.
he'll be focusing on his stuff and I'll be focusing on this stuff. I'll take care of the kids. It's the same thing as he is. If I
Yes,
have a vacation or something like mommy time, mommy vacation or something like that, he knows when it's gonna happen
that's
ahead
true.
of time.
That's true.
Yeah.
And
And
not to mention, it wouldn't hurt as well because with our household, we do have a weekly meeting then.
oh,
Like,
you do. Kami wala.
schedule-wise lang, schedule-wise lang. Kasi my eldest,
Oo.
he's like especially we have like multitask in like
Mhm.
in a day, especially if it's a weekend. So we do
Mhm.
errands and then my birthday, kailangan natin bilhin ng gift. And then yung kid, merong birthday party. All at the same
Oh.
day.
Oh,
So,
wow.
and then minsan wala ako. Tapos
Mhm.
ako, right? So, yung son ko, gusto niya talagang ano siya eh, medyo ano siya eh, chronological minded.
Mhm.
So, okay, so sino kasama ko? O aalis ka, ganyan. Or may
Oo.
meeting ka, so si
Oo.
tatay lang ang kasama. Gusto niya may chronological eh.
Para alam niya. The kids are made like super smart. They may routine sila.
That's
Mm.
true. So,
Mm.
yun. Or minsan, pag talagang medyo hectic yung araw, morning pa lang, okay, ganito ang mangyayari ngayong araw na to. Ganyan.
Mm.
Ganyan siya. Pero it's just yun nga, at a matter of like what you said, what is working with you? Because what
Mhm.
might be working with us might not be working with the rest, moms out there, right? So whatever
Mhm.
works with you guys,
Yeah.
go. Go lang. Go lang
Oo.
just.
Pati sa paglilinis ng bahay. I use na my cue cards. Pagluluto. Kasi minsan, syempre, we're working so much, like we're like depriving yung mga maintenance, kaya yan. Pero yung mga deep cleaning, yung mga baseboards, yung mga walls, kailangan ko mamaharap yan. So, kailangan talaga you have to figure out a way to do it. Na
Yeah,
pag may free time, kahit na 15 minutes lang, declutter ka, you have to clean your system. Yung space mo para pag meron kang creative mind na juice na dumarating, free flowing, ba focus ka pa rin, di ka nadidistract sa mga kalat sa bahay mo, kaya kalat sa office table mo. You have to make sure that everything's clear para focus lang. Kaya
that's
may time blocking.
That's true, yeah. So, like, kung meron kang scheduling, okay ang scheduling mo, pero clutter all the time,
Mhm.
nakakagulo talaga yun ng mindset eh. So,
Totoo
talagang
yan.
buang-buangan na tayo dyan.
Correct.
Diba? So, you know what? So, with that being said, what advice are you gonna be able to tell anybody there that may be resonating with you, like with your similar situation, who
Mhm.
are hesitant or still hesitant to take a leap in the online business. Especially right now, they started January 2025.
Yes. My advice, give yourself a gift. Give your family the gift of like time, because the time you cannot take it anymore. You cannot take it back. So give yourself like upgrade yourself in this year 2025. Stop watching. Start doing. Just do it. Kasi ano, if you just keep watching, nothing's gonna change. And you have, it is hard. I will take you like working is hard, running a business is hard, but you have to choose which one is your hard. So um and taking care of yourself and your family, you have to balance that one. It's there's no such thing as balance, but you have to make things work. So if you're still like apprehensive to join, you could visit our pages, ask us, Marianne, Mary J, uh, wherever you're watching this one. And I want to say, we have a live Rona
Oh,
is
yeah.
watching us live in
Rona.
Maine, USA. Thank you
Hello,
so much
hello,
for
Sis
watching.
Rona. How are
she's,
you?
she's so
Hoping you're
sweet.
doing great, ladies. Thank you, Sis
Yes.
Rona from Maine,
Yeah.
USA.
Yes, she's watching. So, just do it. Hop on live, watch the free webinar, just like me and Marianne did, and see if this is a good fit for you. You're not gonna lose anything. It's a 90-minute webinar, and it will all the information will be provided to you. And if you have any questions, we are your mentors. You can reach out to us.
That is true. Perfectly said, Sis
Mm-hmm.
Marie J. I actually call her MJ. Sis MJ, yeah, there you go. Yeah, and you know what? Wala pong mawawala sa inyo kasi yung webinar is free, and if you are not available to watch the live, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays, we can always send you the link for the replay. I for one actually didn't watch the live when it was my time because I don't have the time. I don't have the luxury to sit there, right? So I went on the replay, and the thing is, the good thing about the replay, you can pause it and then rewind again. If you miss something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you can just like plug it like while washing the dishes or whatever. And then if you miss something, replay na naman, diba? Ganon.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you have questions after watching, then you can reach out to your mentors, right? And
Yes.
they are gonna be there. Oh, well, actually, me and Marie J will be
Mm-hmm.
there because we will be your mentors, right? We are
Yes.
gonna be there to you from the start of your journey onwards.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? Whatever we may say at the end of the day, it will still be you and your household's decision if you wanna go through. But you know what? After watching the webinar, and if you think this is not for you, right? At
Right.
least at the back of your mind, you know that there is something out there. Just in
Mm-hmm.
case, in the future, you might think, you know what, I may be able to do this time. Why not? Let me just reach out to Marie J or Marianne again. And you know
That's
what?
right.
Let's
And
see.
if you have somebody in mind who would think would benefit from this business, why not share? Share the
Mhm.
information. Sharing is caring. Go
That's
ahead.
true. That's true. Do your due diligence, and doing your due diligence is free. So why
Yeah.
not?
Yes.
Tara na.
Yes, correct. At saka since our time is very limited, our system runs on automation. So we're not always like, it is 24/7. Our business is 24/7, but we're not always awake
Yes,
waiting for things to happen.
that's
So
so
we can
right.
always squeeze in like 5 or 15 minutes between our like break times and stuff like that. Or a whole sitting session just like this, just to help out with the business and answer questions and provide information to you. So reach out to us anytime.
Yes, anytime. So there
Mhm.
you go. Thank you very much, Sis MJ,
You're
for your
welcome.
valuable time. I'm sorry again that I was late. But you know
It's
what?
okay.
Just to actually like mag-plug na rin ako, no? Sis Marie J, me and a few other sisters in the business, we are all Pinay, we are all Filipino. We have another series that we started, and it's gonna be continuing every other week, I think, no? Sis Marie J, every other week. So just look forward to that. It will be
Hmm.
posted in our own business pages, and watch out
Mhm.
for that. So it's gonna be a more mas marami na kami. So mas maraming
And it's fun.
yes, it's gonna be fun. So there you go. Thank you very much, Is
Oh,
MJ,
you're welcome.
for
Thank
your
you rin for
time.
having
This is
me.
gonna be not the last.
Not
Uh,
the last.
Chika tayo ulit. Okay,
Okay.
everybody who are watching us right now, Sis Rona, thank you for watching. And for those
Mhm.
people who's gonna be watching us on replay later, thank you very much. Say hi, don't be a stranger, comment on our pages, right? Reach
Yes.
out, just say hi lang, ganyan.
Oo, oo.
Okay, and have a nice Monday, and hope you had a great rest of the week with you
All
guys.
right. Good
Okay,
night.
bye.
Bye.